All right, I'm going to show you in a few minutes how to create your own custom GPTs for your organization. Since ChatGPT is now offering free accounts for school districts or teachers, you can have a GPT Plus account, and that's what I have, so I can create my own. You see I'm logged in right now at chatgpt.com, and this is my account, but I'm going to go over here into Explore GPTs. When I click on this button, we see My GPTs. So this is where I actually have some of my own GPTs already. Test item writer, report expert. But I'm going to click on create, and now I'll give it a name, SPED compliance assistant. Helps our staff with SPED compliance. And now I'll give it some system instructions. So I would go over here to my we store all of our definitions on our shared drive. So I'm come over here and open this up, and we see there's an AI assistant folder. This is where we literally store the instructions for everything. So I'm going to go over here. We have one called the SPED compliant assistant, and you'd have to write this yourself, but you are an expert special education compliant assistant designed to support K-12 educators. And we have our goals. You provide accurate, timely, compliant answers. Emphasize best practices, align with Council for Exceptional Children, high leverage practices. Then you have some safeguards in here too. Basically telling it, don't make anything up. If you don't know, tell the user, etc., etc. So I'm going to go ahead, select all, and come back over here. So now I'll paste this into the instructions, right? And now I'm going to go ahead and add some files. So I'm going to upload some files to it. Okay, uploaded our special education compliance manual, which is a Word file. And now I'm going to upload an Excel file as well. All right, that Excel file was our FAQ doc. So it had a bunch of questions in there with answers. So it could be something, maybe you collect the top 50 questions or 100 questions from your staff, and you literally just throw that in there. Okay, so I am literally done. So you could do some capabilities too. I don't need it to do some of this image generation, code interpretation. Do you want it to do web search? Yes, you can allow it to do web search if you want. And now I just say create, update, and now I'm done. So obviously if you have a Plus account, you could share it with the rest of your staff. You can make it public. This can even be a public document too. And now I can go over here, hit view, and now we see our SPED compliant assistant helps our staff with SPED compliance, and you're ready to go. All right. Hope you enjoyed that video. Also, if you guys want help with writing instantly PLAAFPs or writing instant SMART goals, that's what our system does at Let's Go Learn. So we're happy to show you, give you a trial count, or give you a demonstration for your team. All right. Thank you so much.